So my name is Soheil Torabi. I'm an emergency medicine doctor. So I attended previously in a course for musculoskeletal ultrasound scans, and I quite liked it. And then I was looking for more advanced ultrasound scan course, and I found it actually again in your website, and of course I received the email as well. So and I decided, to attend. To be honest, there are not other courses available in London, and I live in London, so of course I have a family. I don't want to leave them. Outside London, very few um, similar to this course, and I don't really want to travel. Actually, that's for today and yesterday the course. It's been quite practical and relevant to A&E. I hope I can use like 100% of the things I learned here in A&E, but it probably takes time. But yes, I think 100% useful for the A&E doctor. I think I do recommend this course, but I think you should have a little bit of experience with ultrasound scan, have a little bit of practice, be confident with the level 1 ultrasound scan, and then you attend this one, and it boosts your skills in ultrasound scan in emergency department.